BombBomb for email marketing honest review? Watch before using. BombBomb is an email marketing tool that stands out by allowing you to send personalized video emails instead of just text-based messages. It's designed to help you build stronger relationships with leads, clients, or even your team by making your communication more human and engaging. But is it worth the price, and does it deliver real results? Let's dive into its key features, who it's best for, and some critical drawbacks you need to know before signing up. First, the main selling point of BombBomb is its ability to embed videos directly into your emails without complicated third-party integrations. You can record videos from your phone, desktop, or even within your Gmail or Outlook using the BombBomb extension. The tool also provides video analytics, letting you see who watched your videos, how long they engaged, and whether they took any action. This feedback can be invaluable for improving your messaging strategy. So, who is BombBomb made for? It's perfect for real estate agents, sales professionals, and customer success teams. Basically anyone in a client-facing role who wants to stand out in a crowded inbox. Video messages feel more personal, and BombBomb's platform makes it easy to deliver these at scale while tracking performance. However, if you're someone who just needs basic email automation or newsletters, BombBomb might be overkill, as it focuses heavily on video personalization rather than traditional email marketing features. What's great about BombBomb is how it boosts engagement. People are more likely to open an email when they see a personalized video thumbnail, and the human connection helps you cut through the noise. Plus, it integrates with CRMs like Salesforce, HubSpot, and even Zapier, making it easy to include video emails in your existing workflows. Now, let's talk about the downsides. The platform is expensive. Plans start at $39 per month, but if you need advanced features like team collaboration, branding, or more detailed analytics, you'll need the higher tier packages, which can cost over $500 per year. Also, while BombBomb excels at video emails, its general email editor is basic. It lacks the polished templates and advanced automation that competitors like MailChimp or ActiveCampaign offer. In summary, BombBomb is a powerful tool for professionals looking to humanize their email outreach. If you rely heavily on building relationships through email, the investment can be worth it. However, if you need broader email marketing features or you're on a tight budget, you may want to look elsewhere. Make sure you're clear on your business needs before committing.